Welcome to English Lovers Hub.
That's right, we're here to help you speak with confidence.
Hello, everyone.
Hi guys, welcome back to our English learning channel.
Today, we will practice a very useful topic.
Yes, today's topic is daily routine.
We will talk about our daily routine in simple English,
Very simple English
very slow English.
and very useful English.
So, if you are eating, relaxing, studying, or driving,
Just listen and practice with us.
and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Yes, subscribe for more easy English conversations every week.
Okay, Lavish,
Yes, Farouk?
let's start with a simple question.
Okay.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
6:30? Wow, that is early.
Yes, sometimes I want to sleep more,
Me too.
but I try to wake up early.
Good habit.
What about you?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
That is not bad.
But sometimes, I turn off my alarm and sleep again.
Me too.
I think many people do that,
Yes, alarm clocks are scary in the morning.
especially in winter.
Oh yes, in winter my bed says,
Please don't leave me. Okay, everyone, listen carefully.
repeat after us.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Good.
Very good.
After I wake up, I brush my teeth.
Yes, me too.
Then I wash my face.
I also drink a glass of water.
That is healthy.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes.
Only sometimes?
Okay, not every day.
I understand.
But I want to exercise more.
That is a good goal.
What exercise do you do?
I go for a short walk.
Nice.
Sometimes I stretch my body.
Very good.
And sometimes
Yes.
I just sit and drink tea.
That is my favorite exercise too.
Tea lifting.
Okay, everyone, repeat slowly.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I drink water.
I go for a walk.
Excellent.
Now let's talk about breakfast.
Yummy topic.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread and eggs.
Simple and healthy.
And tea. Always tea.
Tea is very important.
Especially for waking up.
True.
What about you?
Sometimes I eat fruits.
Healthy.
Sometimes I eat paratha.
Also delicious.
And sometimes
Uh-oh.
I skip breakfast.
No! Breakfast is important.
Yes, I know.
Okay, listeners, answer this question.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Say it in English.
You can practice now.
For example,
I eat bread and eggs.
or
I drink coffee.
very easy.
After breakfast, I go to work.
How do you go to work?
Usually by car.
Nice.
Sometimes traffic is terrible,
Oh, yes, traffic can make people crazy.
especially when you're late.
Then every red light feels personal.
So true.
I usually go by bus.
Do you like it?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Why?
Because sometimes the bus is very crowded.
Ah, yes.
But I like listening to music on the bus.
That sounds relaxing.
What do you do at work?
I answer emails, talk to people, and use my computer.
Busy day.
Yes. What about you?
I meet customers and attend meetings.
Do you like meetings? That means no again.
Some meetings are good.
And some meetings feel very long.
Exactly.
Okay, everyone, repeat these phrases.
I go to work.
I take the bus.
I drive my car.
I answer emails.
Perfect.
Now let's talk about lunch.
Yummy topic.
You really love food.
Yes, food is happiness. What do you eat for lunch?
Usually rice, vegetables, and chicken.
Sounds delicious.
What about you?
Sometimes I eat noodles.
Nice.
Sometimes fast food.
Not healthy.
I know, but very tasty.
True.
Do you cook at home?
Sometimes.
Are you a good cook? That means no again. What is your best dish?
Instant noodles.
Wow, Master Chef.
Thank you, thank you.
Very impressive.
Okay, listeners, here is a question.
What is your favorite meal?
Breakfast
Lunch?
or dinner?
Tell us in the comments.
Now let's continue.
After lunch, I usually feel sleepy,
Me too.
especially after eating too much.
Then working becomes difficult.
Your eyes say,
I want sleep. Do you drink coffee in the afternoon?
Yes, sometimes.
Coffee helps me stay awake.
But too much coffee is not good.
True.
Okay, everyone, repeat slowly.
I eat lunch at noon.
I drink coffee in the afternoon.
I feel sleepy after lunch.
Very good.
After work, I go home.
What do you do at home?
I take a shower and relax.
Nice.
Sometimes I watch YouTube.
Hopefully our channel.
Of course.
Good answer.
What do you do in the evening?
I spend time with my family.
That is wonderful.
Sometimes we watch movies together.
What kind of movies do you like?
Comedy movies.
Me too.
I love laughing.
Life is better with laughter.
Exactly.
Sometimes I read a book at night.
That is a good habit.
Sometimes I practice English too.
Very important.
Practice every day.
Even 10 minutes helps.
Yes, small practice every day is powerful.
Okay, listeners, repeat slowly.
I go home after work.
I watch movies.
I spend time with my family.
I practice English every day.
Excellent job.
Now let's talk about bedtime.
What time do you sleep?
Usually around 11 p.m.
That is good.
What about you?
Sometimes 10:30
Very responsible.
and sometimes
Oh no.
2 a.m.
Watching videos?
Yes.
Classic mistake.
One more video.
And suddenly it's 2 a.m.
Exactly.
Okay, everyone repeat slowly.
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
I sleep late sometimes.
I feel tired in the morning.
Very good.
Before we finish,
We have a small practice for you.
answer these questions in English.
What time do you wake up?
What do you eat for breakfast?
How do you go to work or school?
What do you do in the evening?
And what time do you sleep?
Try to answer in simple English.
Do not worry about mistakes.
Mistakes help us learn.
Exactly.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope this conversation helped your English.
Practice these sentences again and again.
Listen every day
Speak every day.
and enjoy the learning process.
Tell us in the comments, what is your daily routine?
And what time do you wake up?
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Take care and keep practicing English.